If you want to add Pedometer to the home screen on OnePlus 15, what you can do is you can press and hold your finger on an empty space on the home screen, and then we can go to widgets. Once you go to widgets, we can find that let's actually scroll down. We have two widgets that we can use. We have this 2x2 Fitbit widget, and also I believe there is one more that we can find. So let me actually try to find it. There we go, we have step tracker, so we can use either this or the other one. In the case of step tracker, if we add it, we need to tap on it and allow the Shelf app to access the physical activity stats. There we go. And as for the Fitbit app, we will have to sign into a Google account and set up the Fitbit app, but we can add the widget over here. We can tap on the widget in order to log in. I'm gonna log in with my Google account. This is the easiest and the fastest way to do so. And once you set up your account, you should be able to also, let's set permissions. There we go. You should be able to see the step counter, and it should also work on the home screen. Once it refreshes, I'm not sure why it doesn't refresh, but it should be there. Maybe if we actually remove and there we go, it is now working just fine. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.